N2 returned to his siding, worn out and tired. It had been a busy day of shunting. Then the yard manager arrived. "Sorry, N2, you're needed right away. Please take the breakdown train to Shoebox Station. The front coach of the express has derailed and it's blocking the line." "Come along, N2, we'll have a rest soon." N2 didn't mind. He liked to be useful. He'd say, "What are sheds for but for lazy engines to seize up?"
"Please move me. I don't like to be stuck in this position. It's embarrassing."
"Oh, do move this tiresome coach out of my way." "I will, but you need to move first, as you're blocking my way." "I will not, as the only free line is the fish siding." "Well, you'd better reverse then." Fish siding, I shall not." "Then we shall stay here for always and always." The passengers grumbled and booed.
"Come on, move out of the way.
I've got to be some..." Until Duchess moved. Fish siding indeed. The coach now rerailed, the passengers called out, "Three cheers for N2! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!" Later that day, N2 returned to his siding for a well-earned rest.